Everybody, it's Dr. Wise. We frequently hear, talks from patients to say, hey, I had like a buddy or someone that I might have known that may have gone overseas to have their hair transplant, and hey, guess what? It was they saved some money on it, and you know, that was kind of guided their decision making. I was just talking about the difference between what cost versus value, right? There is no doubt that broadly speaking, work done at our facility here in a state of the art American facility, is going to be more expensive up front than potentially going overseas. Bear in mind, the standards are different. You may or may not have a physician that's supervising your procedure. And let's face it, there's no accountability. So, when it comes to something like hair transplantation or any sort of surgical procedure, we don't want to be in a situation where we can get away with something. We want to make sure that it's as much of a guarantee as possible and that there's accountability and there's a very, really high standard, because after all, it's your safety, it's your health, it's your well-being. And I can assure you that when we've had to fix patients who have had potentially substandard work overseas, at the end of the day, it turns out to be significantly more expensive than if they had just done it correct the first time. So these are just things to think about. But that's kind of the what I would normally say to folks who talk about potentially saving a buck or two going out of the United States for their procedures.